Today we headed out to Jimboomba. I managed to capture some footage and a few photos during the day. Hope you enjoy the video. Rightio, so we seem to be in the outer suburbs of Jimboomba. Aha. So we're heading down to this dam or river. There's a lot of dogs around here and they're not very friendly. There's a big Rottweiler back up there. As I approach the water's edge, this little Corella, also known as a bare-eyed Corella, flew past. Is that a great egret over there, is it? See if I can get a shot. Hey, come on. Come on, Freddie, come over here. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. Come on. Hey, Gary.
How you going, Tony? Good pick up there, mate.
Superb fairy wren. Okay, so I've got a superb fairy wren up in that tree.
Towards the top of the plant.
There he is. I managed to get that superb fairy wren.
They got a kind of a white.
Yeah, he's up there on the aerial.
Oh my goodness, okay, that's a long shot, but we might be able to zoom in.
You can get closer.
Yeah. How the hell did you get that?
I was sitting on the grass.
Oh, you got the shot.
That's what you're looking for.
He's just in here, little brown honey eater. Get a shot from this angle. Here he is. They move around so fast. He's taken off. Now tell me about the crested pigeon, the noise.
The crested pigeon, when it takes off, it makes that fluttering sound from the wings. You can ID it from that. It's evolved from not a distress call. It's evolved the shape of the wings to make the distress call.
Fantastic, thanks Gary. After chatting with Gary, we spotted these blue-faced honey eaters up in the jacaranda tree. Just beautiful birds. I love the colours, they're so vivid. Double-barred finch. I got a couple of shots. There he is. It's a difficult shot with that light behind him, like that. Hang on. There he is. Okay, I got a couple of shots. Beautiful little birds, aren't they? All right, so we've just pulled up at Blackwood Reserve. Yeah. It's a hot muggy day today. Well, get the gear out and we'll go and have a look, see what we can find. Okay, what have we got over here on that fence? A couple of cuckoo shrikes. Okay, we'll see if we can get a shot. Oh, I'd love to be closer. This is the thing, you know, you want the reach. There we go. What do you got? Black duck? Black duck. Hey? Yeah, they're really dancing around.
I've ever seen a cuckoo shrike doing.
What have you got, mate? Now, Barney,
Yeah.
you're a very experienced birder.
Yeah.
You've been around.
Yeah.
Tell me a little bit about yourself.
I'm over the hill.
Go on. What are you doing, Gary?
Looking. If I'm not over the hill, I'm in a good spot to look down the other side.
You're in a good spot, Barney. Anyway, so now we have a little turtle over here. And this is we got a jacana.
Have you picked it up? Yeah.
Shot there he is.
Now, what about his head?
Oh, there's a shot. Oh, the egret. That one there.
Yeah, now that you can see his neck fully stretched.
Great egret.
I'd put him down.
Okay.
Keeps flying.
Oh my gosh. Grebes flying grebes. We had a flying grebe. I missed the shot but managed to get this one of them sitting in the water. After the grebes we spotted a pair of purple swamp hens moving about in the grass and I managed to get a couple of shots. That's another thing. Talk to me, Gary. Tell me everything.
We were one day a similar situation, and the birds were out and all that.
Yep.
And we saw a pair of jacanas.
Did you?
And they were reasonably sort of mid-distance away.
Yeah.
So
Yep.
we got the binoculars on them.
Yep.
And then we all got some good photos of them.
Yeah.
And when we went home and actually blew the photos up,
Yep.
you could see all these legs hanging out from under the wings.
Yeah.
And that's how they protect their young. They lift their wings up.
Oh,
and they,
really?
And if there's any predators around, they make a predatory call.
Yeah.
And they lift their wings up, and all their little chicks climb up under their wings.
That's fantastic.
And they're protected.
Wow. I'm
We
amazed.
saw that.
That's the one.
Paul, can I?
Yes, of course.
Now, Paul, tell me a little bit about you. How long have you been birding? Now, I'm going to interrupt the video right here. I'm so disappointed. Sadly, we had terrible wind issues with the recording. Here's what it sounded like.
Not really. Some of the folk in the script are saying sounds and so.
So what I might do is next time I'll sort out the audio issues with the wind and get his story. Paul has got the most interesting story about his life. He's been around for so many years and is just a wealth of knowledge and information. Wonderful guy.
Well, Tony, at the moment we're looking over a bit of a lake here.
Yep.
And I can see 2 cormorants in the tree.
Yeah.
3 cormorants. 2 of them are the little blacks. Obviously they're little and black.
Yep.
And the top one is pied.
Okey
Obviously,
doke.
of course it's pied.
Yeah.
And also, if you see another water bird and you think it could be a darter or a cormorant, look at the ends of the beaks.
Yep.
And the cormorants have got the hook beak, and a darter, as the name says, has got the dart. So
the
if you
dart.
look at a sharp beak, straight away you know it's a darter.
Yep.
And then you've got the difference between the male and female. And also the birds don't have any waterproofing in their plumage.
Yep.
So a lot of times you see them during the day, they'll just have the head sticking out and they'll be going along. Other times you'll see their body out. Because they don't have the waterproofing, as the day goes on, their fishing day goes on, they absorb more and more water and they sink lower and lower and lower in the water. And then it gets to a point where they have to come out, and that's when you see them, they get a log and they get in the sun and they put their feathers right out to dry off again so they can start their fishing.
That's fantastic. Thanks for that, Gary.
That's all right.
And here's a little black over in this tree. Very close.
Another little black here.
Another little black. I'll get a shot. Okay, we'll get a shot of this little black.
Quite a big bird up at the top.
Oh, yep.
That's a beautiful silhouette.
On the other island, there's another great cormorant.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, there's cormorants nesting over there on the little island. Yep. Welcome swallows. They are not easy to photograph. Right, I got ducks in flight. Here we go, more ducks. And there's a shot. Okay, we've got those guys. We have a couple of ducks. Okay, swallows on a fence. Let's see if I can get an angle. Squat down here and get a shot. Okay. I got that shot. This is fun. Well, heading home after a great day out. It started off a little bit slow today. We didn't see much, but you know, really it's all about enjoying the experience and just being with a great bunch of people. What can I say? I thoroughly enjoyed it. I wouldn't miss this for anything. So yeah, I mean, we got a few shots. I'll go home now and have a bit of fun with the photos and put the video together. But another great day out. Thanks everybody. Really enjoyed your company again, and look forward to next Thursday. So with that, Tony over and out, and see you in the next one.